I see a robber. Oh, I just missed him. He's hiding behind the tree. He's hiding behind the tree. He's making an escape. I'm gonna get you, robber. Oh no, my gun's not firing. Let's try to see if we can get him behind the tree. See if we can get him behind the tree. Oh, I got the car. Oh, he's got a gun too. He's got a gun too. I gotta take cover behind this tree. I'm taking cover behind this tree. Oh no, I missed. I gotta reload and he's got a praise sun. Oh. I gotta find where my bullets went. Oh, I got a bullet right here. I got a bullet right here. I'm gonna reload. Uh-oh, the robber's stuck. The robber's stuck. Oh, I hit him in the car. He's stuck. Oh no, my bullet just fell out. I gotta reload. I gotta reload. I gotta reload. There's more bullets here. There's more bullets here. Oh no, he's got me. Oh no, he almost got me. He almost got me. He almost got me. I gotta reload my bullets. Alright. Robber. Uh-oh, he's out of his car. He's making a run for it. Oh, I missed him. He's got his weapon. He's got his weapon. What kind of weapon is that? What kind of weapon is that? Oh, I got him in the chest. I got him in the chest. And I didn't slow him down. He's on the run. He's on the run. I found a bullet. I found a bullet. I gotta reload again. Uh-oh, he's making a run for it. Where's the robber hiding? Oh, there he is. He's making a run for it. Oh, I missed him. I missed him. Got another bullet right here. Let's take cover behind this tree. I'm gonna reload again. Gonna reload again. See if I can get him from the trees. Let's get the robber. Let's shoot the engine out. Oh, I got him in the windshield, but he's still going. He's still going. He's still going. There's no stopping this guy. Oh, I shot him in the car. The car's still going. Wait, maybe I stopped the car. No, it looks like it's still going. Oh, I got in the car again. Gotta reload. Hands up, robber. Hands up. Oh, no, wait. He's still going away. Oh, no. I can't stop him. These bullets don't do anything to his car. What kind of car is this guy driving? Let's take cover behind these plants. Oh my god, I found a dead finger. Ew! Let's take cover behind the plants. See if we can get him here. And I found another pack full of bullets in case I need these. Look at the robber. What's the robber doing? What is he doing? He's trying to hide behind that tree. Oh, he's trying to flank me! Oh! That one was right by his head. Alright, let's see where he's going. Let's see where he's going. Let's see where he's going. He's coming this way. Oh, I shot the tire, but it's still going. Let's see if I can shoot the engine out. Oh, I got the engine. He's still going. What kind of car is this? Okay, I'm gonna go for a headshot right here. Uh-oh, I think my gun jammed. Oh no, I'm out of bullets! I'm out of bullets! Oh, I got this extra pack right here. He's got me on sight! He's got me on sight! He's got his own jumbo gun. He's trying to reload. He's trying to reload his gun to see if we get these bullets in before he shoots us. Oh, he's got an aim on his... Oh, he almost got me! He almost got me! See if we can get these back. Oh, he's coming my way. I gotta get this gun loaded here. Let's go, gun. Let's go. Hurry up. I gotta get these bullets in. I gotta get these bullets in. I think he's getting out of his gun. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. He's getting out of his truck. He's getting out of his truck. He's coming towards me. I gotta reload. Oh, I got him. I got him in the back. Oh, I almost got him in the head. He's coming. Oh, I gotta reload. No, he's got me. He got me in the back. Oh my god. I'm out of bullets again. I'm out of bullets again. Oh wait, I found one right here. I found one over here. Good. Let me reload this again. Got my extra pack right here. Got my extra pack right here. I'm gonna reload against this guy. I'm gonna reload. After I get the robber. Yeah. Yeah. See if I can take his windshield out. No! It didn't stop him. No, that didn't stop him. Oh, I hit his windshield again. It didn't stop him. There's no stopping this guy. Let's hide behind here, see if we can get him. Oh! Headshot! He's still going. I can't stop this guy. Look at that. We're empty again. Let's go reload. We gotta reload again. Yeah, let's reload this one. Another bullet right here. What else do we have? Oh, wow, another bullet back here. We're all over the place. Alright, at least I got some ammo to defend myself. He's out of his car. He's out of his car. He's making a run for it inside. We can't let him in. We can't let him in. We can't let him get in. He's making a run for it. Oh! Hey! Headshot! And I'm out of bullets. Alright, we got 3 bullets right here. We got 3 bullets. And he's coming this way. We gotta load these up quickly before he gets away. We gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up. You better run, robber. I'm gonna reload and get you. Oh wow, look at all these bullets. Got some extra ones here too. We got 1 extra bullet. Alright, let's see if we can pick him off from cover behind the tree. He's gonna pop out right behind these cars. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh! Hands up, robber, hands up. Put that gun down right now, hands up. You put that gun down. Oh, 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 where you going, robber? Where are you going? These guys trying to take out all the cars around him. Look at that. Whoa, and he's taking out the bottles. Look at this guy, he's a maniac. He's a freaking maniac, this guy. Alright, robber, I'm gonna get you from here. Oh, I missed you. I think I'm losing power on my gun. Oh! That's it. I'm out. I'm out. I got 1 last bullet left. I gotta make this a kill shot, or else I'm out. Alright, robber, it's my last bullet. It's my last bullet. And I won't miss this time. Hands up, buddy boy. Hands up, buddy boy. I got my secret bullet in here. Don't move. Don't you die. Don't shoot that gun at me. I think your gun's jamming, robber. I'm gonna do a left-handed shot. Oh! That was the kill shot right there. Hey, that's a kill shot. What are you doing? Hey! I got no more bullets. Look, I'm out. I'm out.